An Arlo Secure Plan is the complete way to protect your everything. With just one tap, you can take protective action and get help quicker when you need it most. With access to our secure cloud, you'll be able to view, share, and save videos and events from the past 30 days in up to 4K video resolution. Plus, you can grant direct access to family, friends, or anyone who needs to see what's going on at your home. Our secure plan includes features like activity zones, which helps prevent false alarms by highlighting only areas you want notifications from. You'll also know what triggered your camera with AI video object detection, letting you know if it's a person, package, vehicle, or animal. And you get animated previews of events sent immediately to your phone. The most popular plan for cameras, doorbells, and floodlights is Arlo Secure Plus. You'll get more peace of mind knowing you have access to 24/7 emergency response. With just one tap, you can alert 24/7 live security experts to send police, fire, or medical responders to your home. Arlo Safe and Secure Pro offers the complete security experience that protects your home and your family. You'll get all the benefits of Arlo Secure Plus and added features like 24/7 professional monitoring and an Arlo Safe plan. For the Arlo Home Security System, 24/7 professional monitoring provides around-the-clock protection with live security experts. In the event of an emergency, experts can send fire, police, or emergency responders to your home. They can also use video and image verification to reduce false alarms and expedite emergency response. Arlo Secure, a command center for all your security.